Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to send highlighted messages in Gmail Spaces on your PC using the latest updates. Highlighting your messages can make them stand out and grab attention, which is perfect for important announcements or exciting updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Ensure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we'll be using. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon opens the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal all the available options. From this menu, select Chats. This will direct you to the chat interface where you can manage your conversations. Next, take a look at the left side menu and click on Spaces. Here, you'll find all the different spaces you're a part of. Choose the space where you want to send your highlighted message and enter it. Once you're inside the space, focus on the text bar at the bottom of the screen where you usually type your messages. Look for the Formatting Options icon, which will allow you to customize your text. Click on this icon to access various formatting features. Now, you'll see the option to change the text color. Select a bright or bold color that will effectively highlight your message. This will ensure your text stands out and catches the eye of your chat partners. After you've chosen your color, go ahead and type your message in the text bar. This is your opportunity to make your communication more engaging. Whether you're sharing important updates or just want to make someone smile, a highlighted message can make a big impact. When you're satisfied with your message, simply press Enter to send it. Your highlighted message will now appear in the space, ensuring that it grabs attention and gets noticed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send highlighted messages in Gmail Spaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital communication. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.